You're grounded.
Today is Canada Day. So I am here in Toronto. What should I do? Wait, what does the sign say? Fireworks tonight at CN Tower, 9 p.m. sharp? That gives me a great idea. I am going to steal the fireworks for myself. But I need some backup. And I know just who to call.
Well, if it isn't our favorite, what is it? We came as soon as you called, Martin.
Thanks for coming on such short notice. So, ready to steal some fireworks? Yes, we are.
All right. Let's go.
Well, here are the fireworks. I've been meaning to get more for my performances.
Okay. Let's steal all these boxes before we get caught. Yay. We have the fireworks. Yay. We have the fireworks. Yay. We have the fireworks. And no one saw us.
Busted. There is no lying now. I have all the evidence I need. Martin, Velvet, and Veneer. What the heck do you think you are doing with those fireworks? Tell me right now.
Well, we were trying to steal them for ourselves.
I cannot believe you three would try to steal the CN Tower's fireworks. That's it, I'm contacting news stations around the world so you can be exposed for trying to ruin Canada Day. Go home now.
Today on BBC News, we have received reports that 3 troublemakers have been caught trying to ruin a Canada Day celebration at the CN Tower in Toronto by stealing fireworks.
Les coupables ont été identifiés comme étant Martin, Velvet et Veneer.
Les fauteurs de troubles qui ont tenté de gâcher la fête du Canada ont été renvoyés chez eux et seront punis par leurs parents.
CBC Kids' own Gary the Unicorn was the one who caught the troublemakers before they could get away.
And thanks to them, the Canada Day fireworks at the CN Tower will go ahead as planned.
Martin, we just saw that you, along with Velvet and Veneer from Trolls, band together tried to steal fireworks meant for the Canada Day celebration on the news.
You know stealing fireworks is wrong. You could have ended up in jail.
That's it. You are grounded for 5 weeks. And as punishment, you will not be going to see the 4th of July fireworks with us this Thursday. Now go to your room.
Velvet and Veneer, we can't believe you tried to steal fireworks with Martin.
You could have been sent to jail.
That does it. You are grounded for 5 weeks. There will be no 4th of July fireworks for you as punishment.
Go to your rooms right now.
Before we end the video, I just wanna wish all my Canadian friends a very happy Canada Day. I hope everyone has a great time celebrating with your family and friends. And remember to stay safe around the fireworks. Okay, roll the outro.
That's all, folks.
And thanks for watching. See you next time.